Baby, come now.
Come and do what? What is it? Come and do what?
Come, I'm in the mood now.
Please. Just leave me alone. I have a lot on my head right now. Please.
A lot on your head as well. I don't understand you.
I have a lot on my head.
My princess.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Oh, God.
Is it that I irritate you these days?
You can say that again. Of course you do. You irritate me. Don't just touch me. Whenever it's at night like this, I just kind of, I want to leave the house. I don't have nice feeling coming into this bedroom with you. I'm not happy.
But you are my wife now. What is the problem? It's a normal thing now. Come on, baby, let's do it.
Please, you irritate me. Haven't I said that before? Don't touch me all the time. I don't like it when you touch me. I don't like it when you touch me. Because I'm not interested. Touch me. When you touch me now, before you know it, you don't release. Yeah.
Is that a joke or what? Which one is when you touch me small, you don't release? What is the meaning of that?
You know that very well. You know that very, very well. That you are 40 seconds man. You are 40 seconds man. I don't have to say that all the time. Before you even enter. Now my lap with a release put.
Me? 40 seconds man?
I beg you. You know that.
The one we did yesterday, I was up to like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 good minutes.
2 minutes.
I lasted for 2 minutes.
You are counting the time that you have to remove your trouser, your boxers, and then wash your face and wash your teeth, including all those ones. You counted it.
It's fair.
2 minutes. Imagine my husband said he lasts for 2 minutes in bed. And as for me, 30 to 40 seconds is how the longest he lasts. Sometimes he even do come on my lap.
What kind of embarrassment? Do you know you're embarrassing me?
I have to tell you the truth. I'm sorry. I can't be hiding my feeling for a long time now. I'll be suffering now. Body not be firewood now. You know they notice you just lay down on me. You just lay down on me. What is the matter with you? Did you use so much sugar? I don't understand the kind of food you've been eating in Europe. Everything sugary. You have to eat bitter leaf. You have to eat akpu. You have to eat eba. You have to eat only African food. Not cola or those things. You come too fast.
But this is not the first time I've been making love to you now. Even before I brought you to Europe here, we've been making love. Then why now? You are not complaining.
How many times do you visit Africa? How many times do you visit a year? How many times do you visit a year? I'm asking you.
But at least I do come once in a year.
Once in a year. And how many months do you spend? And how many times do we do? I was just ignoring it because I want to come to Europe. I must ignore it now. Even then, I was actually thinking I can manage. Because you do come once in a while. My husband was always coming once in a year to Nigeria. During the time we were together as in married. So then I thought I can manage him. Because even then I was already, like what kind of a man is this? Though he was coming with a lot of money. He was spoiling me. He built a very beautiful house where I was staying. You understand? And then he bought me a very beautiful car. So who am I to complain then? But I don't like it. Every time before he even enter me, he don't come. I'm not interested. Today I have another confession to make to him. But not now. Let's just take it again.
What kind of confession do you want to make than this one that you are making now?
Baby, you come too fast.
That you are calling me a 40 seconds man?
You are even 30 seconds. You are 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Don't you know?
My people. At least I do last 2 good minutes on bed with her.
2 minutes, my feet.
Yeah?
2 minutes.
2 minutes is okay now.
2 minutes. Even as listen, you are even supposed to wash plates. As a man that has stayed in Europe, I was thinking maybe by the time I come here, you will start washing plates. My husband can't even wash my plates.
My people.
Which one be my people?
You can see now that she is lying.
Huh?
She said now that I don't last 40 seconds.
That you last 40 seconds.
Yes, that I last 40 seconds.
Yeah,
but I do last 2 good minutes. And right now, she's not saying that I don't wash plates. And only God will bear me witness that I do wash plates in the kitchen when she's not at home. I don't wash plates. Why are you lying on me now?
I thought traveling is a part of education. I really tried. I thought traveling is a part of education, guys. You know, this thing now, I know by the time I divorce my husband, everybody will be complaining, say, this woman where you can't come from Nigeria. This woman where you can't come from Africa. You understand? Mona help me share this video because not the only woman fault. It's not only woman fault when it's not relationship is not working. Or because my husband brought me now all over from Nigeria doesn't mean I will stay in bondage forever. My husband thinks washing plates in the kitchen. Oh my God, how am I going to explain this now, God? Oh.
Washing plates is not washing plates.
No.
Washing all the dishes.
No, nah. Okay. Who is going to explain this again now? Who is going? No, it's not a movie. It's not a movie. I don't like this.
My people. Please, someone should translate what is washing of plates. Is it not washing of the dishes in the kitchen? Like,
baby, you have to ask all those presenters that knows about Lalo. Who knows about Lalo? A lot of presenters know about Lalo. My husband does not even Lalo me. Lalo is a special taste of doing it. You must Lalo me. What is wrong with that? Is it wrong to Lalo a woman? He has to Lalo me. At least since maybe then I will be more satisfied. I'm just only trying to help.
Now I'm getting you now. That me, born and brought up from a traditional home.
Please
I should go down and Lalo. Hey!
What is wrong with that?
My family must hear this. I should go down and Lalo me.
Please, I'm not here. Which one, Lalo? Is this something? It feels good to Lalo a woman. You have to kiss me from my head to my toe. At least then, we can count 30 minutes already. 30 minutes he can use to do there. And then maybe like, you know, let's say 10 minutes from here, down. Here he stops. And do it like, take maybe 5 minutes. Okay? And then when he goes down to wash the plate, minimum of 20 minutes is supposed to allow the whole plates there. How can you, and then you just come and, in which generation are we living in? In which generation? The reason why I put this live video just now, I put it because I am about to say goodbye to this relationship. Because I know, by the time I say goodbye to this relationship, everybody will say, you don't see her, you don't carry her, come from Nigeria, finish now, you don't disappoint her. No, I can't bear it anymore.
That is what you are trying to do now because what you are saying is not making sense.
It's not making sense.
It's not making sense at all.
Do you lalo me? Have you ever laloed me? Have you ever go down?
It's an abomination, my dear. It's an abomination.
It's abomination to lalo. It's abomination to stay at least 1 hour. 1 hour by doing it, it makes sense. Which will be 40 seconds again, sometimes 30 seconds, and it's claiming 2 minutes. It's claiming 2 minutes. I am a woman. There's something you don't know about a woman. Who, after a woman finish giving birth to a child, there is this special feeling she have in doing. You know, you start having the urge automatically. I don't know if any one of you, I'm sure most of you are women, mothers already. After you have become a mother, the first child, you know, the thing go dey scratch. So even that scratching now, not be only to just choke and come out for 2 minutes as he claim. You have to lalo the whole plate. You know, squeeze them, tight them. You don't understand?
Wait, excuse me.
I thought because you are even in Europe, you will know better.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, let me tell you now.
Yeah.
If you are saying that it is crash you, then you tell me that it is crash you, then I will look for cover bottle and I'll scratch it for you.
Don't even make joke, go there. Because this is my feelings.
Your feeling as in what? I'm trying now. I'm doing my best.
You are not trying. You are not trying. I don't have time for that.
2 minutes?
Just
60 seconds make 1 minute. 120 seconds.
You are just a shame. You are just a shame. You are just a shame.
There is nobody that you will tell that I last 2 minutes and that person will not applaud me.
Huh?
I tell you the truth.
Hey, my
there
people.
There is nobody.
Look at this man. Look at this man. I've been respecting him. He said 2 minutes and you guys are supposed to applaud him. In fact, I really want the whole world to hear this because I know that by the time I say goodbye to these even 2 minutes he said, I'm not doubting his minutes. Good and fine. He's 2 minutes man, yeah? 2 minutes man. By the time I say 2 minutes to this man, all the Grat people go they talk. Grat go say, hey, you know, see him? Nneka, don't leave him, oh. You know, they don't know, say, now just, you know, the lalo, you know, they go down, you know, they wash plates, you know, they do anything. You know, they do anything. So please, help me share this video so that it go reach Grat people. Make them hear say, I'm not be bad girl. I'm not be bad girl. But there is no way I can stand with a man who is 2 minutes according to him, but to me personally, 30 seconds. Because he takes his time to remove his bosses. He takes it, you go see as they come very slowly. You go just they come like snake. You go just they come. You come they touch me like this. You know, my husband will come they touch me. The thing go they do me one kind. Even kiss. My husband don't know how to kiss. Like this. Then he try to put him. As he try to put him, sometimes he go just come on top of my lap. On top of my lap.
But when you dey waste time, you want romance. You are wasting time.
I want wasting
You
time.
dey waste time now.
This man a bushman, oh. It's just because you were Jando. That is why I actually accepted your proposal. Because you are kind of Jando. I knew it. That you are good for nothing.
Nneka, I'm really disappointed in you. I am really disappointed in you. Because you never exhibited this kind of character before.
Why should I? When I'm living in mansion in Nigeria. When you brought
You
me
were living in my own house.
Yes, and that is not all.
I bought a car for you.
That is
you
not
were
all.
okay. I was taking care of your family.
Hey.
You didn't call me 40 seconds or 2 minutes, man.
Those kids you also thought they are yours. I'm sorry. Those ones we have in Nigeria, they are first and foremost not yours. I'm sorry. They are not yours. I must tell you the truth. I can't anymore. This thing has been eating me up.
Please, just tell me you are joking, please.
How were you? No, how can I joke? How were you supposed to impregnate me when you came on top of my lap? Have you ever seen a sperm that has a wings? Have you ever seen a sperm flying? I'm flying without wings. Sperm is flying without wings. You were just coming on top of my lap the whole time now.
5 children? You are telling me
I am
that...
telling you the 3. I will tell you about the other 2. Yeah, I'm not going to fit again. I need to live my life. I am matured now. And I'm here in Europe. Forget level, not in the chalet. If you talk anyhow,
My
I
people,
go meet up with all those social people.
My people.
They will take care of me.
this thing is no longer a joke.
It's not a joke, oh. Me too. It's not
I
a
am
joke.
finished. Nneka, that I know so much.
You know me.
I'm
You know me.
speechless.
How can you know me so much?
She's
when you are
calling me
coming?
40 seconds, man,
He's
and
lying.
now she's telling me that my first 3 child is
Children.
not for me. My first 3 children are not for me.
They are not
I'm
from you.
confused.
How were you?
I'm confused.
You know what? You see how men. You
speechless.
see how men reason. Some men are very
I'm
stupid. though.
speechless.
You know why? See.
I'm speechless.
How can he conclude that he knows me so well? He was only visiting once in a year. And he was only buying a ticket of 4 weeks. Within these 4 weeks, he will be meeting up with his friends, he will go to his family.
But
members
I told
and-
you if you were okay, then you said you are okay with it.
What
You
was
told
that?
me
Make
you
I
were
hurt your
okay.
feeling. You wanted me to hurt your feeling to say you are not okay, you are not okay. No, now I was thinking I can bear. But now you irritate me too much. Look at you. Oh gosh, please, I want to throw up. I am sorry. Let the worst happen. Let the worst happen. Let the worst happen. I'm leaving this marriage.
Ìdè fagbọn.
I am leaving this marriage.
Fagbọn di mi.
Go and get your girls, your baby mama. Maybe she will still reconcile with you. I'm not interested. That may be gay now. Yeah, but you know, before this thing won't tight finish. He wants cement finish. My husband is just 2 minutes according to him. 30 seconds. At least na Tonto Dike husband, I even last person. And maybe Tonto Dike husband still the lalo. My husband not the lalo. My husband not the lalo. Okay, if you promise me from today onwards, say you go lalo, forget about the children. I will stay with you because I can manage you.
You are saying that the 3 children are not for me?
They are not. You cannot.
And you are still telling me that I should lalo me.
Anyway, next time when you are getting married to another, lalo her. Lalo, my ex-boyfriend used to, oh my God, when he is laloing me, he's telling me, Mama, am I doing it good? Mama.
But do you know this is an abomination?
I'm telling you how I was always thinking about him.
Hey.
And it was him I was sleeping with while you were in Europe working your ass out. What concern me?
Prakaka maka sata
Yes,
maka. Hey.
The truth must be said. I'm tired of keeping secrets. I'm tired of keeping it. Do you think? Yeah.
Abasumbo. Hey. You were using my money.
Using your money for what? Are you not taking care of me? Am I not your wife?
I'm finished. My world is finished.
Yeah, there's nothing I can do. I'm not the one who will take care of your whatever. Eat more of bitter leaf. Lalo, your woman, Dezan, anything you can do, do it. Especially, you must lalora. You start from the up, and then you take the leg, and then I will base my leg, I will, stand there like this, you will kiss and you take my leg again. That time, I don't come. If I don't come, I don't care if you are 2 seconds.
A traditional man like me?
Yeah.
Go down?
My boyfriend used to do it, nothing happened. Every time when I ask you to help me do it, you say, my husband go say, if he go allow me, say his mouth go make like this.
You go bend, no, I don't go lie for you.
He say his mouth go be like this. I say, why your mouth go come be like this? Because say you allow your wife, now you go make your mouth be like this. Now you have what you deserve now. Not only you be traditional man. Go and ask them there in Nigeria. They are doing the best. All those university undergraduate students, you just need to give them small money. They go even lalora for 2 hours. 2 hours, guys. You never experience them. Oh, this one say I don't fall for bed. Oh, you don't fall for bed. When they fall for bed,
This one is a serious issue. This one is not a laughing matter now. Look at what you are saying.
My husband say if he lalo me, mouth go make. You go make. I follow somebody else who go lalo me now. Now you not go lalo. Now you they come on top of my lap. Now you not sabi anything. I come 2 minutes. I am coming 2 minutes. Coming where? 2 minutes. Over sabi. Lalo your wife. You not go feel lalo your wife. I beg.
Say the 3 children are not for me.
The point now, the reason why I'm really making this confession, and I put it on that video, is because I want the whole Euro people. Because I know what your friends, they will be talking nonsense. Please, all my husband friends, share this video to them. Because I am about to move in with the one who gets the other children with the year. You remember the day you took me to African shop? You remember the day you took me to African shop, the very first beginning, you carried me there to introduce me to all those your friends.
Yeah.
There is this one man, this your friend, this Igbo man, who will exchange number. Well, but maybe you are not aware. What was that? The thing they scratch, baby. There is no way you can leave me lonely. So when you are at work, sometimes I just do go there. That is how I still get the other children for you. What is it? Are you not supposed to appreciate me? Is my husband not supposed to appreciate me for doing him such favor? At least nobody knows it for now.
For what?
Nobody knows it for now, apart from only the audience. Nobody knows it now. I'm just putting it here so that you will not beat me. Now that we're on live video, I can use it against you. I can call police on you. I put the camera. Now so we went to Germany. Now so we put camera. When we know say we don't cheat our husband, we'll put camera everywhere. More send and go jail. After all, visa don't reach our hand. Now, what do you think before? I'm just putting it for evidence thing, so you know. I know if now before now you go down, they beat me.
You are very, very wicked.
I'm wicked. I'm not wicked. I did you a favor.
Which favor? By bringing me out and telling people that I'm 40 seconds man, and at the same time telling me that my children, that they belong to another person.
100%. 100%. I'm sorry about that. You don't do your work very well. It's your fault. Next time, learn how to lolo a woman. Lalo a woman. We women likes to be laloed. We have to be lalo na kin, lalo na gbe. We have to be laloed. 1 hour to be laloed. That is it. Ask all those Bini presenters. They know about lalo and zanzan. It's just that I don't know the meaning of Zanza, but I picked the lalo. You don't understand? Eh? Yes, oh. Yes. Yes. What is it? How can I dey Europe? I dey Europe. Now Europe I want chop. Now Europe I want chop. There is nothing like when you hold a woman. How? She go confess Jesus is Lord.
I have to call your mother. I have to call your mother.
Hey, don't even start calling them yet.
I have to.
Don't even start calling them. Don't even start calling them because there's nothing they are going to do. My mother knows everything already. And my mother stands behind me gidigba. Because my mother knows how it is to be touched and to be lallowed and to be shaked. You have to shake me when everything is moving. The moving train will be moving smoothly.
You see, my people.
Yeah.
You see the way some mother-in-law misleads their daughters.
Yeah, don't even put your mouth on my mother.
You see the way some mother-in-law mislead their daughters, giving them bad advice. So you've been having this discussion with your mother.
Yeah, she knows all about it.
So your mother knows all about this.
Yeah, she knows all about it. My mother has been telling me to separate from him since.
Hey.
Because I have been complaining to I even bought what they call this thing. Is it this thing where they use? I even bought it. I said my husband use it to do me. He say he be traditional man. Everywhere my husband the tradition go. I told my mother that this man know they enter. He know they play. You know they play game. Even my mother told me that my father doing even a greater job than as you see and so now only flesh. Now in body you see. Only flesh. You know sabi anything. My wife, my this, my that. Because he carry me come Europe, make I suffer forever. The thing self, he don't seal. He be like Korota. He don't seal. If not because of this brother when they help me so for this city so. Eh? Now they help me and I once they say they help me. I know they see chance they come out. I won't fully move in with him now. I
thought as much.
Yeah, you thought as much, yeah.
That is why your mother asked me to come and buy a land in your own village. That I should come and start investing in your village.
Yes, of course.
So both of you planned all this?
Yes, we planned it.
Your mother is very, very wicked.
Yeah, good and fine.
She's a bad mother.
You too, you are weak. 20 seconds man, idiot.
No, don't say 20 seconds man. You say 2 minutes man.
Where?
2 minutes, 2 good minutes.
Whatever.
120 seconds.
1 minute and 59 seconds, eh? It's a shame on you. You don't even know what is the meaning of lalo. You say na wash plates. Say you dey wash plate for you, they do dishes. You even irritate me, sef. Please keep that your small. This thing sef come small. Hey. This thing is small.
You are a liar. Make I show them. Wait, I will show them. I will show them.
No bring her come here, make them not go laugh me join. No bring her come out if they
No. Because now they were not there.
Especially now that
Hold
that my husband is tense, eh?
Hold on.
Now so it go be.
Hold on.
Like this small thing.
Oh God.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
You said I was 40 seconds man.
Yeah.
And God will bear me witness that I am 120 seconds man.
What is the difference?
Big difference. Secondly, now you are not telling them that my kleine this thing is too small. Let me show them for them to be a witness.
You want to embarrass me now? You want to put them for them?
Yes, now I'll show them now to
see. You go see and bring come out. As you be like this now, you go see and bring come out. They not go see and for inside camera now. You not go see and you not go see the same bring come out. Now flesh, now skin. You not go see the small this thing bring come. It's too small.
You are a liar. You cannot lie on me, please. My viewers, I want you to bear me witness. Should I bring it up so that people would bear me witness? I want to see the comments. Should I bring it out so that people will witness it? I'm gonna leave being traditional man and lalo your wife.
Thank you.
Who is that person? Who is that person?
Thank you. Share this video.
Who is this
Share
person?
this video. I'm sure many men say they know they lalo their wives. And that is why their wife has been cheating, oh. This is new generation. A woman should wash herself thoroughly. Wash her. Once you don't wash and finish, you know as I dress. You spray here. See, now this perfume now they use. You don't understand? You just spray from here like this. You just spray her. Smell good. It takes more. Put her for here. You make her like this. You get? And then you can even take small step. You know, you spray am for here. Eh? Make it just the smell. Make it just the smell so that when you go there, you not go even remember to come back. Nothing I know they do, oh. Nothing I know they do. I they spray perfume. I'm hoping that if my husband put in head for here, you go just sleep there for even till tomorrow.
Matter. Matter.
Me, I'm ready to stand the whole night. When he can do that, I can let that and let him lalo the whole this thing. Waiting. Every man should know how to do that. Do it for your wife. Me, I love it. Every woman loves it because that thing they torture like. I'm not gonna let you know all the secrets. But this man saying be traditional man. See, now they already tell you, hey, he say yes. He say, my brother, please do what she says.
Well, I am a traditional man. I brought her to Europe here. So you don't expect me to...
See, this one say, how long you need your husband to lalo you? Even if it's just 1 hour to lalo me, it's okay.
You are very wicked. You are very wicked.
Oh.
No, you are really wicked. 1 hour.
Okay, try it now for 30 minutes. 30 minutes will be good too, but 1 hour will be better. Because longer it takes, sweeter.
30 minutes.
What is wrong with it? Whatever that is coming out is like a medicine. Don't you know that whatever that is coming out is like a medicine to a man's body? Eh? Don't you know whatever that is coming out is like a medicine to a man's body? It makes you live long. Yeah, that is why you see Oyibo are living up to 90-something. Oyibo are living long. Don't just get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Love is good in making. Not be this one and it be love making. Besides, my husband, 30 seconds, he not sabi. He not go sabi touch. Not go sabi kiss. Not go sabi wash plate. He saying they wash the dishes. I don't understand him. I don't understand him. So I'm sorry. So I've been cheating on him. He was visiting Nigeria for only once in a year. He was visiting. Just once.
But
only
you were
once.
okay now.
Yes, I was okay. I was okay. I was okay. Oh.
No, my people. Who is supporting her? Is it good for a man to allow the wife? He said, you have to wash a woman's plate.
Hey!
It's very necessary. You were missing something.
Oh, don't bring it out. Try and lolo your wife. Hey! Oh, nyabia yo, nyabia nyabia
Wait, excuse me.
yo.
It's like
you see
you bribe some people.
Bribe, okay?
Yeah, you called them before this.
No, I did not.
Please show us. Please show you what.
Hey.
Ask for me. I love it very much. He said, as for him, he does not love the... Okay.
He said, pack tradition. One side. Lalo your wife. Oh! Thank you so much. This is the problem I've been having for how many years we've been married? For how many years? Because I have been managing you. Don't you even dare it.
Managing?
Don't you even try it. In fact, I don't go gaga right now. I don't go
because they are supporting you?
Not because they are supporting me. It's because I need your touch. I need your laloring.
I've been touching you now.
I better forget that. See as he did. See as my husband said they touch me.
I've been touching you now.
No. My show them as my husband said they touch me. Baby, come. Oh. Baby, I'm coming. I said they do. Oh, now they make me laugh.
I don't have my chance. Huh?
They are laughing. Huh? Why are you guys laughing? It's not funny.
No, this one is a very serious issue.
That's what they do. Oh.
Open the straightener they use.
I never open leg. You don't come. I never open leg. Now so I go just the look am. I will say, wow. Iseki. Ni re. Igore bank sore kasi mi ni area. Mi ni kata tu alias akache. Na say dey tell. Na till now. Now I can't come out. Seki ni re. Yes. Ask bank people what you mean. Just hey. Baby, I'm coming. go. You don't come just now. You have not, hold me, shake me.
But I do touch you now. I touch you now.
That touch is not a reasonable touch.
But I have to touch you soft now.
Softly? No. Women don't like it softly like that. Do I have to teach my husband everything?
Hey.
Women don't like the touch very soft. Women likes it a kind of, she must feel it. She must feel the vibe. Women loves it when you squeeze them. You squeeze them, you squeeze them, you hold them tight. You don't understand. Then you go down, you raise the leg like as if it's by force. Hi! Oh, that my ex-boyfriend, they try, sha. You go just raise my leg. You go just, sister. You go be like saying him they angry, like say would they fight Jackie Shine. You go just raise my leg like this. You don't understand. You go just you go allow my toes. You go come. You go say, baby, me self I don't weak. The things have done the wrong boy ho. Eh?
Look at what a married woman is.
Married woman. Yes, because I am married. That is why I am teaching you. And maybe some other men say, women not like him when it's soft.
Hey.
He has to be strong. The touch must be felt. This touch must be felt. You must feel it. Yeah. You hold on. You hold on. You hold everywhere. You even hold the head. Go like say you dey massage the head. That is why you see Oyibo, they put hand for their women head. Then you go down. You reach here. You go like say you stop. You go like say you hold brake. Like where Dangote trailers and they hold brake. If not because they Dangote trailer they hold brake for Nigeria, accident for don't finish. That in business for don't collapse.
I made a serious mistake of bringing my wife to Europe. I should have just left her there in Nigeria. What kind of mistake have I made? What kind of a life is this? You used to be so calm. You used to be loving. What has come over you?
I'm teaching you how to do it. You are complaining. You are still complaining. I'm teaching you. Guys, it's not supposed to be done that way. Say yes. Look at them now. Say yes. Sometimes you need to arrest everything about her body. Hey!
No.
Bro, send me your number.
Wait.
Bro, send me your number.
Wait. Auntie, send me your number.
Which auntie?
Wait first. How do they say it? Don't be like this. My strength, man.
Strength.
Yes, man.
Baby, before you even enter inside, before you enter inside the pekus, you don't come. That is the problem I have. If that 2 minutes
that's
now, say they enter inside this thing, if for good, they quick enter. As he just they touch me, you go just make like this. You go say, oh baby, I'm coming. That's how I go just do. I go just look.
Better they come on top now.
On top. Good and fine. If they come on top me. You laying on top me does not mean that this small thing, the thing be like small battery.
Hey!
Smallest battery on earth.
Hey!
You don't understand? All in the name of comedy. Yes, so all in the name of comedy. You should learn your lesson. Hey. Learn your lesson before your guy go leave you, or learn your lesson before your husband go leave you, or your wife go leave you. Learn your lesson. Because this is really happening. It is really happening.
Hey.
Broken marriage everywhere. You don't know, they ask why. There are many different kind of problems that is happening in the marriages. Learn now how to touch your wife so that she will not leave you. Learn how to touch your wife. Gone are those days where they say women not supposed to speak about their feelings. I am telling you now about the real feelings. And we are matured. This time around is around 10 o'clock and no child should be awake right now. Live movie. Exactly. God bless you, Victor. You understand? You must not go to university to have a common sense. Learn how to touch your wife, be romantic, and let nobody start fornicating. If you are so good in bed all the time, even if say your this thing are too and are short bangbu, it doesn't matter. So as long as you are romantic, you are good in bed, the woman will not have any eyes looking outside. So most times, either you are not giving your wife attention, you are always traveling, or maybe you are not trying. That is the only reason your woman is always angry. Because this thing, they calm women brain. When a man is very good in bed, the touch is strong. It dey calm women brains. My sister, Yetunde said, wisdom. Exactly. God bless you. This man said funny. Yes, he's very funny. You understand? So please learn how to satisfy your wife and stop with the traditional man. Stop with the I'm traditional man. Yes, so that when there is a broken marriage, you know, they give out to the woman, say, this man leave me, this woman leave me. After I brought her from Nigeria, after I brought her from Sokoto, she leave me. She is not feeling your touch. This is the real message you are supposed to get right now. It's for free, oh. I'm not saying make you pay. I have given you the advice too. Next time, learn how to law your wife and learn how to stay a little bit longer. Boyfriend.
Okay, you say law. Now teeth I want to do am. I be na head I want to do am because some they call am say na heading. Some say na heading. Should I head you?
No, don't head me. Use the all those presenter word. La gba say. He said it is not good. What one is not good though?
Thank you. Which one is not good? To la law is not good. You see, he said to la law is not good.
No, she didn't say it.
He said it's not good now.
It's not everyone that like it. Oh, I don't know about that. At least 90%. 90% of the women likes it. If you say the man, maybe you have not been touched. If you are touched, you will like it. Is that okay? He said you are so right. This one you Chris, you go school. You are just a graduate. Even if you say you not finish, say you finish JSS SS2 like me. You know, see, they are continue to read though. Now you that they lecture there. That be me.
Hi.
Wanna share the video because
I guess is a joke. It's not a joke.
It's not a joke. It's a serious issue.
It's a serious issue.
Yeah, it's a serious issue. It's a serious issue, guys.
It's good to wash a woman's. No, that one.
Leave your comments, oh. Leave your comments.
Let's see the comment.
Leave your comments. So right now, the fact is that this is exactly what is happening. This is exactly what is happening. It's a situation, really situation from an audience who called us and said this has been eating her up. Okay? The man does not go down. You know, they last long. So we have some men that are like this. Firstly, I would say eat something bitter, go for treatment, do something that will, you know, keep your body stronger, maybe do a little bit of exercise. You understand? Do more of exercise. And secondly, go down. At least, you know, go say, you know they stay long, and you know they still go down to wash plate. There must be one part you are good. And the woman also went ahead and said, the man said the way they touch her, say you get as he be. Very, I can only imagine, you say, no feelings, nothing at all. So I realized that this thing is been happening. According to Otonto Dike, she also mentioned it that their husband now 40 seconds and maybe not true, and this thing might be happening everywhere, somewhere. So if you know, say this thing not too big, or maybe you know they too last, eat something bitter on a regular basis. Go see a doctor. There are some things they can give to you. I am not allowed to mention some kind of tablet they can give to you. There are many different kind of medication you can be taking to last long. As long as you satisfy your need, it will not kill you. Okay? And secondly, learn how to touch your woman in a very strong way. Touch her, not be minor this thing. I'm a traditional man. You just enter, you just come. No. Watch some movies, if that is what it takes, and see how it functions. So that your marriage will be sweet. Because when you are unable to satisfy your wife, she is always angry. Any small thing. She don't call police on you. Any small thing. She don't angry. Any small thing. She is just always upset. But when you can satisfy your woman, if you do am bad, you go say it's good. If you do am good, you go say you are king. You are God. So whenever you see those women where we say that they say, I love my husband, you know, say he is doing good in every way and ramification. Learn your lesson now. Now go they write underneath, say, this woman, you are very spoiled. If I not spoiled with 4 children, I don't know which school I can't go again. At least if I not go university, I go university in bringing up children. You don't understand? And I'm a nurse for speaking out loud. You get? Yes, very serious matter, and teach us more. Teach us more. You know, thank you so much. I love people like this. So please share this video. Let men know that you must squeeze a woman. You must squeeze a woman. Squeezing. You know, squeeze. You must not too tight. Don't breathe. Don't make her go the other side. Yeah. You know, make it tight. Touch her in a very tight way. Squeeze her. You know, like as if you are massaging her. Shake her. You know, hold her neck and bring her closer. You know, eat her up. You understand? Eat her up. You women as well. I know that we need the male signal to carry on, okay? And then do it. You understand? And then touch her. To the real touch, not be... Sometimes some people won't sleep. This woman says sometimes she won't sleep. She won't sleep. Sometimes she won't sleep. Because the man, the way they touch her very slowly and very soft.
Somebody wrote something here. He said, why people don't last long? Simple solution. Change position regular. Watch movie when making love.
Exactly.
Know? It's very, very important.
Yeah, but my husband, when he's watching movie, he's worse, so he don't come. Once my husband start watching movie, he don't come.
Come here.
You don't come. Once my husband just look at her, from that 2 minutes when he agree, now 10 seconds. Ask him, he dey here. He not sabi anything. He not sabi anything, no. Okay.
He's touching in a strong way.
Yeah, touching in a strong way. You know, in a strong way. In a very, you know what I mean. You know, chop your wife. Not they keep anything reserved. You are touching life issues. Well done, sir and ma. God bless you, my wonderful sister. God bless you.
know,
Said, I wonder. Oh. Exactly. I love it. Oh. You are wonderful. Please, sir, don't try it. Oh. Confirmation nurse. Yes. Oh. You understand? Try to like be nice. You know, create that avenue. Touch him. Not be... It gets away when you go touch a woman. No go feel sleepy. She will always wanna... She go even they wake you up. He say, you are correct, ma. Right on, ma. Yes. She go wake you up middle of the night and say, baby. Now you go they fantasize. And then, you know, when you are on... Not be those men... If you have too much big stomach... Drink you. I left 5 ways that you can burn your belly fat. Yeah. Because... It's very irritating when a man is making love to a woman, the stomach go just injure the woman completely. The thing go they burn. After doing it, she go toilet, the thing go be fire. You know understand? Because your stomach, now they do the work. Your stomach go now they do boom 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 boom. You understand? So let's learn. So this my sister, I told her that I'm going to present it, you know. I'm going to present it for her because I really just told her that do the things, invite your husband to the restaurant, give him those bitter lemon and all those, you know, take him to the hospital and all those.
It's good for a man to be eating sweet things.
Yeah, but she said she has tried. She said she has tried. Do you remember when she even put baby to bed that period? She has tried everything and she loved the way we are and all those things, but her relationship is not working. Yeah. You know, because nobody says she not love the man. She love the man, kind of. She really would like to stay with the man. The man is kind, but in bed he is no go. In bed, you know, they like to touch nothing.
Spoke well of the man. Yeah. He spoke well, but in that aspect of the bed,
yeah, you know, she can't bear it anymore.
That is where her pain
she can't bear it anymore. So you see, men try more. No woman will be say you know, like some fights where we they settle. If the man they really squeeze some women, forget to like this one now my husband day. If he talk anyhow, I go just tell and say take divorce paper because my husband are 5 seconds.
You don't reduce on to 5 seconds again? You don't reduce on to 5 seconds?
Okay, now 10 I thought before.
Now 40 you talk, but now 2
40.
minutes, now 120 seconds.
I just they manage you like that. Okay. No say old age don't come.
Okay, thank you. The 3 children, I get that. I get the 3 children.
Now you get the 3 children. Yeah.
Because I know say I put on top.
On top?
On top,
Which on top? Now on top they make babies.
You feel you sweet after inside now.
Abi? No, you get wings. So guys, please do your best.
Try as much as make your wife happy. And the same thing to the women too. You know, you have to play with your husband, play with your wife. You know, make them feel you.
Yeah, touch
Touches,
hand.
really matters
When
a
you
lot.
are kissing, squeeze that mouth, chop the mouth.
You see me the biter?
No, just squeeze on, just the hula, the squeeze on, the squeeze the mouth. You know, I go hold you go put on. You know, do it, hold the woman. That thing na medicine, oh, na medicine for Africa. Na medicine for Africa. You just say this one when I get power like this, now because na 40 seconds. If my husband do and well and lalo and zaza everything, I go dey fly. As I dey talk to you, so I don't fly enter inside this phone. You understand? So, but the reality, the real truth here is what we are still talking about. You know, hold your wife, or touch her. When your wife is always frowning, when your wife is always angry, when you're always, that means you are not doing your job properly. Because when you are doing that thing very well, if you ask her for 1 million, she go pay them into your account. What you talk? Madam, this your husband go sabi. Nah, wait. He did for oh, he said there for who talk this one, self? Eze lucky. He said this your no be he talker. No. Now he said, madam, this your husband. Now what for you? Oh, man, not go. They suspect you say you put camera for our house. Oh, man, not go suspect you say you put camera for here. You know, say na camera now in the rain now these days.
Somebody said, and so many couples are passing through this same problem in their relationship.
Yeah,
and that is just the fact.
It's just the fact. Please share out this video as I have lectured us how to hold your woman. I am raw. It is very difficult for you to find someone that is so raw. I am not ashamed because I am teaching. Okay? Yeah. I am not ashamed. I am teaching. Let everybody be happy. Squeeze your wife. Lalo your wife. Go anywhere you can. There is nothing bad. And if you are a woman, learn how to wash yourself properly. Put your finger inside. Bring out all the muck away there inside. Wash on a regular basis. If it takes you to wash your downstairs 3 times a day, it is very necessary. 3 times a day. Okay, 3 times a day, just wash it. Or if you are walking, the place where you are walking, you don't have water. You take, what they call it, this wet, this thing. You make sure it's in your bag, in your pocket. You use it to clean it so that it will always smell good. Once your man do it once and twice, you will enjoy it. That's what I say. My husband never start to. Maybe after this live video now he might start.
And not be only by that one. You know, it's not only by lala you will satisfy a woman. There are ways you still touch the woman and play fair play with her. You know, she will still be satisfied. You know, when you are good, when you are romantic, when you are playing with her, you talk to her, you give her sweet words. Even if she not fine, tell her say she fine. Tell her say she be the little sugar in your tea. Just give her sweet words. You know, the woman will begin go gaga. She will go in the spirit. You know, before you touch her small, she done ready. The other side done soft. You know, before you know anything that happens, you know, she don't come. You know, it is very, very important in marriage and in relationship.
For a woman, if, you know, for a woman to really release that orgasm, it's very important. It's a nice feeling.
Yeah.
It's a nice feeling. You have to save her from future sickness. Because if you are not touching her, not digging it very deep, she will get healed next time in the nearest future, maybe at the age of 50, at the age of 55, as from 45. Then she will have sickness, okay? Save your wife from future sickness, all right? So that, you know, let all those things come out. It has to come out, not be wet, be coming. A woman must release, and she go let you go know. She go shout. She go shout, and you go know. So go ahead and love your wife. Go ahead and love your husband. Correct one another. No time again. No time to check time, guys. You see, as TB Joshua now just go. He was working towards pension. He not even reach pension time. He not reach pension time. Enjoy the moment so that if any time God say more will come, we'll just stay happy going like that. Touch her breast, give her head, kiss her before enter. Exactly. Most of you know it. Please help us to spread this video. Let other people get to know it better. There are many men that thinks is not allowed. I will get my mouth be like this, and their wives are cheating. Because if another man don't do it for them, and you know they do, now that one he go the reason. Now that man, now he go the reason, because that then that man, you go just the reason. You understand? So don't let another man take away your wife. And don't let, because of something you know you can do, because not every woman can measure it. Not every woman, all your wife can talk about it. Some of your wife now will not talk because they just want to pretend to be responsible. Okay, they are even waiting for you to do it. But once you are good in bed, if you tell the woman, shut up your mouth, she go shut up. If you tell the woman like this, you know. So that is it. Okay, thank you guys so much. We got to go now. Love is a beautiful thing. Don't carry twisted.